got me. It's a nice fish, but he's got me. He went. Yes.
Oh yes, mashallah, there we go.
That's what I need.
Hey.
Actually, he's too big for bait.
Yeah? Look at that.
For eating.
Beautiful. What'd you catch?
I caught this is a butter brim.
Yep.
But just behind it, something massive came up.
Oh, to eat it.
Yeah, I think it was a kingfish. Like it just whoosh, came up to eat it. This is a butter brim. Why is there rain?
The rain came.
That's nice eating. There's the second fish, that's a butter brim.
Inshallah.
And they're beautiful eating. That's why they call them butter brim. I'm going to try and just pull it straight out. I'm going to get you. Baba, I didn't steal your fish. You were like... Okay, move, quick. That's a nice
Oh, mashallah, there we go. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's a nice leather jacket.
Wow.
Yeah, see there, yeah, he was like, they're all gone. They're all finished, there's nothing here. Alhamdulillah.
It's alright.
That's good eating, that leather jacket. Beautiful eating.
What's the bait? What bait did you use?
Prawn.
Alright, we got another one. Inshallah. Did Ismail got it, I think? Did Ismail get that one?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Well done, Ismail.
Well done, Ismail.
Nice.
Nice.
Beautiful.
There we go. Lift it up, Ismail. Oh, wow.
Okay. Hold it like that, Ismail. Yeah.
There we go. Pick it up.
Alright. Yeah.
Falling off.
It's alright, even if it falls off.
Nice.
Just go like that. Unfortunately, half of it is lost because the head is so massive. So half of it's lost with the head. Just cut it all the way down. Throw that in. Okay, and all the guts and everything like that. All the skins. Wash out. And then the leather jacket's the easiest one to clean. Easiest. All you do, put your finger in like that. And it literally kills.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. Okay. One bit. And that there is. That there is the other side. There we go.
Yeah.
And that's it. That's
awesome.
all there is to cleaning a leather jacket. And that there is ready to be cooked exactly like that. Beautiful eating fish. One of the nicest eating fish. You have to cook this up today, both of them. Yeah.
Beautiful. Look at that.
That takes just a few seconds.
Yeah.
This one is almost.
He's going to be happy.
Alhamdulillah. He caught not only his first fish on his own rod, but then he went to catch this decent leather jacket.
Nice. That's pretty awesome, man.
There we go.
Nice.
2 leather jacket ready to go. Ready. Just put them in a pan, chef. A
Mm.
little bit of salt and pepper, whatever spices you like. Honestly, just a few minutes on each side. Very easy. And they taste awesome, awesome, awesome.
Alright, gotta try it out.